Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the rear taillight on this 2001 Ford Focus. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. First we're going to pop the hatch, use the key fob, push the button, open the hatch. Inside this rear hatch, we're going to need to take this wing nut off right here. Just grab it and twist it off. Pull that off. And I'm going to take a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to take this Phillips head screw out. Once you pull that screw out, grab the light assembly. Just going to slide it out, just like that. Now there's a connector right here. You could disconnect the connector here. Just push down on the button, release the connector. There's the button. Just push that down. There's a little wire retainer right here. Pull on that. We're going to disconnect this connector. There should be two little lock things on this. This one, they're actually broken, so pull that out, just like that. And there's your taillight assembly. To reinstall this, line this connector up. This one happens to be broken, so it's not going to lock in place, but you press it on like that. This wire retainer goes right here. There's another one that goes. It's kind of hard to get this one in. I'm going to connect this lower bulb first. That's for the reverse light bulb. Connect that, and I can reinstall that retainer. There's a couple of pins. This pin lines up with that hole. There's another pin that lines up with that hole. Get that in position. With that all set, you can take the screw and tighten this down. Just snug, not too tight. It is plastic. Close it. I'm going to reinstall the wing nut. Get this lined up. Get it on there. Tighten it down. There we go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.